Sony PMW-EX1, or with the LCD screen hinge damaged, and as you can see, this should be up parallel with this internal mic assembly, but it's bent downwards. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start disassembling here and see what the damage is. Let's get a closer shot of the LCD screen itself. And we have a screw here. You should be able to guess. Turn it over, get one on the far side. And that should allow that to come out and slide forward. It does slide forward because there's two little clips on here. They clip into the side of the screen. And I'm looking at this now. And it's looking like we have damage here to the hinge assembly itself. So I'm going to have to now start taking off this top of the handle. And I've got to remove this mic assembly first, and there's two screws in here. And that comes off. I should allow this to come up, and that's that out. Bit of a crack on it here, but doesn't look like there's much damage done to the end of it. Remove this cable from here, and there's two screws here for the EVF. Remove them. Now we've got to move this bracket off here. These are silver ones, really short. And that's that out. And what we have to do then is lift up this retainer tab there. And now we take these two screws out here to hold in the EVF. Got to get this tab up. What's that out? Also, we have a cable hidden in here. So we've got to take this screw here out, get that cover off. And another one this side. quality. These are looking a little bit different than the EX1, which normally comes out there. They're looking for the rest of the screws to come out here as well. Slight bit different than the EX1. What I'm going to have to do is, it won't come out here at the front, well it might, but get this underneath the back, and that gets access to it now. And this is the connector here for plugging the connector. Now we've got 3 screws holding in this zoom button. Two screws here at the back of the handle assembly. And we've got some screws here at the front as well. Comes up, and you have to be careful with this, as there is down in this area here, that cable goes down, but there's another cable here that comes up from the DPR289 PCB down here. And is there any more? I think there might be another, yes, little screw here. Always miss that screw. And as you see, there's a cable right here that's going down into that board, and he just pulls up. We're going to concentrate in this area here. I'm going to take this cable out. Then I have to, I should be able to get the screws now by turning this over. There's one screw here. Then if I turn it over like this, I should be able to get the second one. And then that will come off. I'm going to take this cover off the bottom here, and there's 2 screws holding that in. They are damaged, so I don't know what I'm going to see in here. That's that off. And I'm looking at the hinge assembly here now. It is bent from here going across, so I'm going to have to get that out. first of all I'm going to feed this, take these cables off it, and I've got to feed this cable through it. Normally you bend it like that and it'll actually go through the hole of that, and then the same, you feed it up through here. I'm going to get them out of the way. Bend that. That's that out of the way. That out. So I'm going to take this bottom here off. It comes off. Okay. Now we've got this device. And this is your hinge assembly. Okay, I'm going to take this out. There's 4 screws here. And we've got another one here. And I'm just trying to remember, I thought there was a hidden one somewhere as well. But we'll know. If this doesn't come up, we have another one. Yes, we have one somewhere. There it is there. And that's that out. And I don't know if you can see it there, but that is supposed to be at a 90-degree angle, and instead of being up straight, it's bent in like that. So I'm going to see, can I take that bend out of it. If it comes out, great. If it doesn't, it's a new assembly that is required.